Good morning, children. Today we will read this poem, My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. In first stanza, it is clear that the speaker is saying that he is having a little shadow which goes everywhere with him, and that shadow is very, very like him means it is resembling too much to him from the heels to the heel, head to the heels. Heels means the toe of your foot, and when the speaker jumps into his bed, that shadow also jumps after him. He is saying that the use of the shadow is much more than what he thinks. The funniest things about him is the way he like to grow, not at all the like proper children, which is always very slow. For the sometime shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. In the second stanza, speaker is saying that the funniest things about his shadow is the way in which he grow. That shadow does not grow like others children. Sometimes it grow up like an Indian rubber ball. Indian rubber ball is a small ball that bounces high when it hits the surface. Means sometimes it is very, very tall and sometimes it is very, very short. That no one is like him. He has not got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every short of way. He stays so close beside me. He is a called, you can see. I did I didn't think shame to stick to nursery as that shadow sticks to me. Now, in the third stanza, the child is saying that his shadow does not have a notion, means he does not have any knowledge of how children play, how they make fool everyone is different way. The children is saying that shadow is afraid of being alone, and that's why he always stay close to him. That child is feeling shame that how can shadow stick to him like a nursery. Nursery is a woman who looks after children. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. According to the last stanza, one morning the child gets up early before the sun was up, and he found that the shadow was not with him. He did not know the science of shadow. That's why he said that shadow is very lazy and he is still sleeping. He also said that shadow is a completely sleepy head. Poem tells us about a child. This poem tells us about a child who is delighted and puzzled with his own shadow. He explains in detail how his shadow accompanies him or follows him. This poem gives a clue to the curious nature of the child who keeps an eye on his surroundings. द राइटर ऑफ दिस पोएम इज़ रॉबर्ट लुइस स्टीवेंसन. आप जब इस पोएम को नोट करेंगे अपनी कॉपी में, लिटरेचर कॉपी में, तो आप उसके नीचे मेंशन करना राइटर नेम, रॉबर्ट लुइस स्टीवेंसन. ये पोएम एक ऐसे बच्चे की है जो अपनी ही शैडो को देखकर बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिलाइट होता है और पज़ल भी होता है अपनी ही शैडो को देखकर. वो समझ ही नहीं पाता है कि ये शैडो उसके पीछे पीछे क्यों चलती है, और उसकी जो शैडो कभी एकदम से शॉर्ट हो जाती है और कभी एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो जाती है। तो वो बहुत ही कंफ्यूज भी रहता है कि ये शैडो हमेशा उसके साथ चलती है, कभी आगे आ जाती है, कभी पीछे चली जाती है, कभी छोटी हो जाती है और कभी बड़ी हो जाती है वो। तो ये पोएम पूरी उसकी इसी के ऊपर बताई गई है कि वो बच्चा कैसे डिलाइटेड रहता है और कभी कभी इतना पजल भी रहता है अपनी अपनी ही शैडो के लिए।